As you see right now, I have all my toppings, I have my ingredients, and I'm gonna start dressing up the pizza. I'm putting my tomato sauce. By having the parchment paper, it's going to be much easier to slide it into the pizza stone, the steel stone, which is in the oven, which is at 550 degrees Fahrenheit. And that represents almost 700, 800 degrees on the wood burning stove. As you see here, I have my tomatoes, and now I'm going to start putting my ingredients. Mushrooms. See my mushrooms. There it is. Now I'm going to put the pepperoni. I'm not overdressing the pizza because less is more. Here we go. Now I'm going to put my cheese. I'm going to spread the cheese all over the pizza. There's a little bit over here. There's a little bit of cheddar. There's a mozzarella. There's a little bit of whole meat mozzarella. And I also have a little bit of fontina too. There we go. And now I'm going to put my red peppers. So, as you see right now, just gonna rinse my fingers, just gonna clean my hand, and I'm ready to put it in the oven.